Okay, so I've given my anti-roll bar that I took off my spare car a couple of coats of Hammerite. Gave the brackets just one coat, they weren't too bad. I'm going to whack them on my daily driver car now. I've had to clear out, you can see them in there. God knows when was the last time there was an anti-roll bar on there. I'm not even sure there was an anti-roll bar on this car originally. I had to clear out the threads. There was a lot of patience just with one of the bolts from the other car, and coppery's just starting it off ever so slowly, backing it off, starting it off, backing it off. Just kept going till the bolt went in nicely, and all the bolts go in now. Pretty good. I'll show you that in a sec, but cleared all 4 threads before I did anything else because I just needed to know that this anti-roll bar would go on. So then I've taken off the 2 shock absorbers. There you go here, so they're off now, just out of the way, and I'm just going to drop the subframe just a little bit. I'm going to take this big long bolt out here first, it's 17mm, and then there's another one sort of further under the subframe that I'll show you. I won't take that one out, I'll just drop that. I don't know if you can see that there's another one, 17mm, that tends to be fairly rusty. So I'm going to take one out completely, drop the other one, and see, hopefully the subframe will drop enough to get the bar in. The subframe has dropped. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, the subframe has dropped, so I'm going to try and fit in the bar. Right, I've dropped the second bolt out, so now this subframe is completely disconnected here and here. There's a gap here, and I've pushed the bar in from the other side. Seems to be the only way I can do it. I want to keep one bolt loosely connected, that's this one here, just so I'm not dropping the subframe completely. So the subframe is still connected there, I don't know if you can see, still connected there. I've pushed the bar in around the back, and now I'm going to try and get the bar over the top of the other tower. I might just need to do it from the other side, maybe pull down on the subframe and then pull the bar at the same time. The bar's not far away from going through. Still tight though. Really, really tight. There we go. So the bar is roughly in the right place now. Right, so I'm going to put on my brackets now. I've got 2 new rubbers. I don't know if you can see that. That's the code on there. From what I've been reading, these don't get greased on the inside. You might put a wee bit of copper slip or something on the outside just to help them with the brackets, and the slit goes towards the back of the car. There we go, that's it in there. The 2 brand new drop links. There we go. 2 brand new drop links. Same code number, BDL 6611. So that's the rubber on, bit of copper grease on top, the slot facing the back of the car, and I'm just going to pop down the bracket there. Right, I'm just going to try and do this one-handed while I hold the camera. Get the top one first. hopefully, that's it. Let me bring them in with the ratchet. These are 19 Newton meters of torque. Right, so these are 13mm bolts and they go up to 19 Newton meters. Pop the bar in there now. I'm just going to put the nut on for now just to hold it. You need to hold this while I do that. This will be 60 Newton meters. That's it. My God, that's a click and a half. Right, and the same on the one below, 60. Right. I've just slid that up there and started it finger tight. Just going to see if it's going on okay. Actually, I don't want to go too tight with that just yet. I want to get the other one in. I've done all 4 bolts there, 100 Newton meters. So 2 on this side, 1 under there, and the 2 on the other side. And then I've done the 2, put the suspension turret back here, and I've done that up. They're 56 each. Lovely. Now I'll do the bottom. $17mm, and it goes 60 Newton meters of torque. Right, give that a crack. Okay, that's 60 there. I'll just take it back off a couple. Right, stick the wheels back on it now and drop it down. Everything's tight, both sides. Bars in place, new rubbers, new drop links. Everything's tightened down to torque except that bottom bolt. Right, so I've got the car back on its wheels. It's properly, it's laden now, or it's under weight. So I'm going to do up the bottom 2 suspension there to 140 Newton meters. I will go and put the car in gear and put the handbrake on, because I'm actually moving the car.
Eventually.
Right, the longer bar didn't help at all, just made it much harder to hold the whole thing. Short, so no bar at all, no extension. That's better. Get an extra couple of clicks now. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's in now.